Okay, this is a crimping machine. We're going to open it and install it. So first to open, clear it out so you can see the machines inside. Okay, let's get all of the part out. The base, okay, the base, the rod with the screw, okay, the crimping head part, okay, and collar head, crimping head, and screwer and push rod, okay. So and this one, okay, so that's all. Now we're going to install the machine. First, get the rod. You can see there is screw, okay, just release it. Just release it. Okay. Put the rod on the base. Put the rod on the base. Okay. And for this one should be at the back. Okay. Then install the screw. Install the screw and fix it tightly. Okay, so make sure this side is at the back, okay? Because after we install the head part, so after we install this one, the head part should be face to there, so that's why this one should be up. Okay, so you can put it like this. Okay, adjust the position. Okay, so adjust the position. So once you feel it's good already, then fix it tightly here. Fix it tightly. Okay, that's it. Then fix here. Okay, that's it. Okay, and then install the crimping head. And install the push rod. Okay, that's it.